Hey, what's happening, everybody? Hey, so last night I got in the mail my Simpure Membrane Solutions gravity water filter system. So I'm going to do the box opening here and kind of break this thing out, show it to you a little bit. This is the first one of these that I bought. I do have some other water filter type things. If you look at one of my other videos, I did a get home bag or a 72-hour bag or a bug out bag, whatever you want to call it, that had some water filter type stuff in there. But this one is for the house. So I'm going to break this out, and then I'm making a mess, and it might be a little loud from the wind. If it is, I apologize. So this looks like it's the stand. We'll get there. Some little cap. This seems to be the cover. And then, this thing isn't all that light either. I don't know, 7, 8, 10 pounds, something like that. All right, so we got the system, right? It's all stainless steel, food grade SUS 304 stainless steel. All right, so you take this out. Okay, I have no idea how to put this together yet either, so I may break out the user's manual, try and help out. So bear with me a little bit. I'll probably do a lot of editing on this video. Usually I don't edit a whole lot of videos, but all right, so other stuff in here, the filters. So these filters will filter decent water up to 9,000 gallons. I think that's probably on the low end, depending on what kind of stuff you put in. I mean, if you're putting in muddy stream water and stuff like that for this thing to filter out. But these are 3 filters that'll go in here, and we'll do 9,000 gallons. I'm just going to use, for a while, I'm just going to use water out of the faucet. We usually put water in a jug from the faucet, throw it in the fridge so it's cold. But I'm going to start running it through here to try and get some of those the other stuff out of there. Some type of a gasket. We'll figure that out. A plug-in. Free gift. Not so sure about that. And here we got just some other components. Probably the plug, because you can plug this thing in. There's a wire and a plug. So we'll deal with those later. I wanted to do this box opening video because as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to set this thing up and start using it. What else we got in here? And this other little box is the filter part, not the filter part, but where the water will come out. So this will screw onto the side of the container. You turn it on. That's how the water comes out. So we'll figure that out. All right, so installation, we got the parts. Got the parts. All right, so on here, I'm assuming the gasket will go here. Nope. All right, we'll figure that out too. All right, so in here, it looks like the filters, I guess we gotta open these up. I'm really trying to make this a quick video. it may turn out like that. Okay. And of course, all these this is a filter. That's one filter. Okay, I don't know, 12 inches-ish, something like that. So there's 3 of these in here. Okay, I'm just going to throw them here for now. If you're hearing the wind, I apologize. It is kind of windy back here today. Hey, everybody stopping in. If you're watching this, whatever platform you're watching it on, I appreciate it. There's not a blue. Don't throw away your caps. All right, so this little piece here is going to, so you take the filter, turn it upside down in here, and then you got to screw it on with, I guess, no, read the directions. Okay, even better. There's a little wing nut, plastic wing nut on the top of this. Don't drop your stuff. You hear my dogs? All right, so you got a little washer in here too. That stays on the inside. My pooches. It's wrestling time apparently. All right. Sealy, chill out. Okay, so filter. All right, I'll try and speed this part up. All right, there we have it. 3 filters. That's how it looks on the bottom. Okay. All right, let's see how we do this. All right, so put this will sit like this for now. Sealy. Okay, do that. Chill out. Membrane solutions. Okay. Next part is we're going to put, this is a UV module. So not only are you getting filters through this part, but there's UV in here as well. That's also going to help clean that out and clean the water after it goes through those 3 filters. So you're gonna get some pretty clean water. This is like 99.9999% effective. All right, so it'll look like that. I think we got it on there pretty straight. All right, so what I'm thinking is that you got the filters down here, but there's no hole down at the bottom. This is going to go on the top, like that. So in these little screws there, if you can see that, there's a little hole in each one. So the water is going to go through the filter, down through the hole, down into the drinking area, and you're good. Let's set up the so here's the top. It's going to go up here like this. This is just like a handle. Take that out, we'll put it together. All right, so on the top, you get the screw, handle, and I didn't bring the screwdriver out, so we'll see how good this works. Without the screwdriver, I'll tighten it in the house. A little windy out. I'm pretty excited about this. I mean, I know it's just a filtration system. I got fine water right now, but who knows what's in the water nowadays. So, all right, then you got the stand, okay, 2 pieces. On each other just like that. The Simpure system will sit right on it. Just like that. Ooh, that could have been bad. That could have been bad. I'm trying to move this over so I can kind of show you the rest of this. That could have been real bad. Alright, so we're going to angle this down just a little bit, like that. Alright, so now there's a plug here that connects into this battery system, just like this. And that's what runs the UV system that's in here. So it goes down through the filters. Here's your collection tank, I'll call it. Then it runs out through here as you turn on the spigot, turn it on and off. As the water comes through, it gets UV'd as well, so it's killing anything else that could possibly be in there. Yeah, so I think that's about it. This is the Simpure Membrane Solutions 2.25 gallon water capacity. The 3 filters that we put in there can do at least 9,000 gallons. And when I bought this, I bought another 3 gallons. So at a minimum, I will be able to do 18,000 gallons of water for my family to drink. So not a bad deal, just over $200. Check out the Simpure website. I bought this. They didn't send it to me. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm not an affiliate, nothing like that. I just wanted to show you another solution to having clean water. people down. I mean, if you just look at what happened the last couple of weeks, Georgia, Florida, North Carolina, Tennessee, Virginia, South Carolina, right? Had the hurricanes run through, places are wiped out. They don't have any drinking water. You bring this in, you'll be able to have a whole bunch of water for a lot of people for at least a couple of weeks. So think about that in your family. I got four adults that live here in the house. This could be a lot of water to drink. I got a creek a couple blocks away. It's not very clean. But if it came down to it, I could grab some water from there. I believe my neighbors around here have some wells in their backyards, so I could always get some water from them. I'd probably trade them some food or something if it came down to it, because I do have some food stored away. You know, bartering, stuff like that. Hey, I'll give you, I need some water. And I could get out of the well, throw it through here, nice and clean. So think about it. Get a water filtration system in the house and have some clean water for the family. Even the stuff that's coming out of the faucets right now, who knows? So I appreciate y'all stopping in. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the follow, whatever the case may be, whatever platform you're watching this on. I appreciate you. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Make a great rest of your week, and take care of each other.